Today we are show you how to DIY neon sign by use our PVC Neon Flex. It is free soldering. If you find this video help you, please subscribe us. Thank you. Tools we need to make PVC neon signs. Check the acrylic if any damage before making neon sign. Check the PVC neon light before use. Firstly, we measure the length we need, then use a scissors to cut the PVC Neon Flex. Follow the cutting mark at the back of the Neon Flex. Cut all PVC Neon Flex piece used to make this neon sign. After we cut all PVC Neon Flex, use tweezers to bend the PCB inside the Neon Flex tube. This avoids the PCB connected to pure copper and make them short circuit. Use silicone wire to measure the length of the connection. Distance between PVC Neon Flex to PVC Neon Flex. Cut two pieces same length of silicone wire. Cut off the silicone sheets at both ends of the silicone wire. Solder tin on both ends of the silicone wire. Solder the two pieces matte pin on the end of silicone wires. Use snap nose plier. Insert the soldered matte pin into the copper wire of PVC Neon Flex. Peel off the acrylic protective film. Apply glue on the acrylic board along the lines. Then glue the PVC Neon Flex on. Press firmly Neon Flex on the acrylic board 5 seconds. Connect the PVC Neon Flex to the other end of the matte pin wire. Use a scalpel to cut 2 notches on one side of PVC Neon Flex and place the silicone wire into the notch. Glue the PVC glue on the surface of PVC Neon Flex and press firmly about 5 seconds and make 2 pieces of PVC Neon Flex has no gaps. Repeat both progress to connect PVC Neon Flex and stick them on the acrylic board. After all PVC neon lights are glued to the acrylic board and the matte pin wires are connected. Brush PVC glue on Neon Flex. Use snap nose plier to stick mini and cap. Punch a hole on the acrylic where you want to output the power cord. Insert the soldered matte pin power cable into pure copper wires. Use mini and cap to cover the PVC Neon Flex. Plug the power cord with LED driver. One neon side is finished.